Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Unlock your iPhone X and make sure focus or do not disturb is off, because those mute alarms. Once done, open settings directly. Use search if you prefer speed. Make sure the ring/silent switch is set to ring. The physical side buttons control media versus ringer, so press a volume up once to confirm you can change ringer volume. This establishes the foundation, so the alarm volume control will respond as expected. Now go to sounds and haptics and focus on ringer and alerts. You'll see a slider. Slide it up to increase alarm volume because alarms mirror the ringer level. If you want quick manual control, toggle on change with buttons. This lets the side buttons adjust alarm volume too. Make sure to preview a ringtone to gauge loudness. If the default tone is soft, pick a sharper, louder sound in clock for clearer wake-up cues. This changes how you perceive volume even at the finish. By opening clock, set or edit your alarm, and choose a bold ringtone. Tone choice matters as much as volume. Save the alarm and test it by setting a 1-minute alert. If it remains quiet, restart your iPhone X. Then check Bluetooth because connected devices can reroute sound. If that doesn't help, update iOS and, as a last resort, reset all settings, but back up first. This step-by-step ensures your alarm is reliably loud and troubleshootable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.